Hey guys, it's mukbang time, and it's been a minute. And today I decided to stop at KFC to try their new chicken sandwich. I haven't been in KFC in probably over 25 years when I lived in Miami. And I'm back, and we're gonna try this chicken sandwich. So apparently now at KFC, the chickens are antibiotic free, no hormones added or steroids, USDA quality, and they're raised on US farms, and they're freshly prepared by cooks. I would hope so. Who else would be cooking the chicken? All right, so let's check out this chicken sandwich. So, got the fries. They're new fries. They're soggy. They're soggy, I don't like. Now she got the mashed potatoes and gravy. But, did I get my share of mist? Oh yeah. So, oh man, they need to change the oil. It's old. So, let's check out their chicken sandwich. Okay, it looks like it's on a brioche bun. Comes with a dab of mayonnaise, a chicken breast, and 3 pickles and more mayonnaise on the bottom. Okay. The bread is nice and soft. Man, that oil is bad. They need to change that oil. The pickles are nice and crisp. To wash it down, I got myself a Sierra Mist. I wish they would put more mayonnaise on it. They also do a spicy chicken as well. Now, KFC been around all these years. Are you telling me they never had a chicken sandwich? Explain that to me. Or, I mean, the last time I've been in 25 years, I don't even remember if they even had chicken sandwiches. If they know, or if you know if they did, just comment in the comment section. The chicken's nice and moist. I just wish it was a little bit more crispier. Like, Sierra Mist is good. And by the way, KFC actually has Pepsi products. Now, I waited in that line for 25 minutes. I wish I didn't. Popeye chicken sandwich just blows us away. But what are you gonna do? Well, that's my review. Until next time, we'll see you soon.